WWE presents TLC.
It has come down to this. Sheamus is obsessed with winning the World Heavyweight Championship.
And John Cena is the only person left to stop him and the rest of the United Kingdom from steamrolling WWE and claiming every championship it has to offer. Look at this. They're brawling now up on top of the ladder, and he gets taken right off the ladder. Come on, pull harder.
Going up the ladder again. That's not how you do it. And here they go, fighting with all their heart and soul.
Oh, man, he's got to be out of it. He almost got that thing down. This guy doesn't need a therapist. What he needs is an exorcist.
Oh, his back crashing into the ground. And he put everything he had. Oh no, right on the steps.
Oh man, that's gotta hurt.
Did he get it?
Oh my gosh, he nearly fell. Oh man, he's gotta be out of it.
He's heading out of the ring now. He's checking under the ring, possibly looking for an object in this no disqualification match. Heading back up the ladder.
I thought he had it.
Oh, what a whip.
Oh, jeez. Right down on that ladder again. And he's not done with that ladder yet.
Sheamus controlling the head. Cena just one heartbeat quicker on that exchange.
He's got wood.
And now laid out on the table.
Watch Sheamus. Uh-oh. Oh, through the table. The crash. There's wood everywhere.
Sheamus has been obsessed with the World Heavyweight Championship. What do you think it'll mean to him if he wins it?
Well, in that sick mind of Sheamus, I wouldn't be at all surprised if he treated that hold. Wait a minute.
And now Sheamus, the Irish curse. Okay, what should Cena be looking for now?
Right now, I'd expect him to start throwing some of those big strikes. If a couple of those hit, he's right back in it.
It nearly got away from him.
That's it. He's done. Whoa! I think he lost his footing.
And he gets dumped unceremoniously from the ladder, rolling out of harm's way. Smart strategy there.
And there's the ladder. Yow! Oh, not again.
That Irish whip was delivered with tremendous aggression. Now trying to make the climb again, slowly, but with everything he's been through as quickly as he can.
Oh, what a fall! Keep your eye on Cena.
Oof. Sheamus comes up with a devastating counter.
Oh, not again, not again. He's getting tenderized right now, like a piece of meat.
Sheamus, no! Cena's got him. Cena going for the attitude adjustment.
Sheamus has the ropes.
Oh my, Cena delivers an attitude adjustment over the top rope.
Yeah, but did you see the way Sheamus landed? It looked like he blocked some of the impact.
Well, it doesn't matter because Cena's going up. Cena's going to win.
Wait, look at Sheamus. Look at Sheamus. Oh, man, this is awful. No, he can't.
He did. High cross. And John Cena landed with a sickening thud outside the ring.
I don't believe this. How did this happen?
King, the United Kingdom has won every title in WWE.